Redeemed Repair. Family owned and operated for 29 years, we're your trusted full-service auto repair shop. Our professional services include complete suspension work, engines, oil changes, inspections, tires, diagnostics, brakes, tune-ups, batteries and exhausts for foreign and domestic cars, vans, trucks, and SUVs. Financing available. We also sell quality used vehicles, and you can be sure we service what we sell. Trade-ins welcome. Contact Redeemed Repair today, 518-659-4028.